Now, welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, we are back with someone who, now we're always going at it. Now, she hasn't been on a set for a while, and now she's back with a new singer. Keita, welcome.
Hi, thanks for having me.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you guys?
Now, what have you been up to? I mean, you haven't heard from me in a while.
Yeah, I've been working on a new project as well as my album, and it's called Long Weekend. It's produced by Rose Summers. So this is the first single from that project. And working on my album and getting ready to go on tour this summer.
What's the name of the single?
Vi.
Vi.
V-A-I. Vi.
No, that's Vi.
Vi.
Alright.
Yeah, it's Portuguese for go or shake it. It has a lot of different meanings, but
Depending
you know,
on
it's
where.
really like a vibes builder.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
So I've heard that you're part of the surfing community in St.
Yes.
Thomas. Tell us a little bit about that. That's amazing.
Yes. Well, I grew up in Bull Bay for the most part of my life, and the Jamaica Surfing Association has really been like a community, stronghold for just mentoring kids and teaching them about surfing, and not only surfing, but anything to do with creativity, film, art, that kind of thing. So recently they had a tragic.
Fire
How are the
and stuff like
repairs
that.
going for
Incident.
Jamisha? Yeah.
Well, they've been really receiving a lot of support, both internationally and locally.
Right.
You guys probably know they're also getting ready to, try to send forward a team to for surfing this year. I mean, not this year, but to the next Olympics. And
That's great.
it's so they're in the
there-
middle of doing that,
Right.
and this happens. So on their behalf, I'd just like to say thanks to everybody who has supported them.
Like for the public
And-
who some persons don't know,
Yes.
how it is that we can help, like with the repairs or with anything that's needed,
For
and
sure.
also to help with the sending the team away.
For sure. Right now they have a GoFundMe page that has been set up by a family member, and that's
Right.
on their Instagram page. So that's Jamnesia Surf. That's their Instagram handle. And they've been receiving help from, the associations and stuff, and, the Sports Development Fund and the Olympic
We caught you so off
Association.
guard. We're so sorry about that.
It's okay.
So we just got carried away. So tell us
It's
about your
okay, it's
latest
okay.
single.
Vi.
Now, what are you going to be performing for us?
Okay, so the latest single is Vi. It's produced by Rose Summers, as I said. It's really a fusion of reggaeton and baile funk, and I like it. Like I like to,
First
I
time I
love
heard,
some reggaeton.
when I heard a baile funk, I was like, what?
Dance funk. All right, so I want to hear the single. We're going to come back and chat a little
Okay,
bit. So take it
lovely.
away. I'm excited. Reggaeton, reggaeton, hey,
Reggaeton.
reggaeton.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, 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 Ooh-cha, ooh-cha, ooh-cha. Keep waiting till your love come down. I'm trying to keep you in my direction. I stay waiting till the sun comes out. Vi. Keep waiting till the sun comes down. I'm trying to keep you in my direction. I stay waiting till the sun comes out. Vi. Oi, party like Brazil, gon' do it all night. Baile funk and reggaeton, you know that's alright. I'ma do the things I know that you like.
Não pare de choramingar.
Just like the tropical island breeze, we are young and wild and free. Come now, spend some time with me. Let's make the dance floor destiny. Oi, keep waiting till your love come down. I'm trying to keep you in my direction. I stay waiting till your sun comes out. Vi. Keep waiting till your love come down. I'm trying to keep you in my direction. I stay waiting till the sun comes out. Vi. Oi, we gon' party like Brazil, gon' do it all. Meet me on the floor, I'm shutting it down. Bad like a cholo, go low like a low pro. Action pack, I keep it bad like I'm Rambo. 1, 2, 3, vibe. Oi, get ready, we're touching the sky. Oi, stay ready, I'm holding it down. No letting go, we're in this together until tomorrow. Keep wanting till your love come down. I'm trying to keep you in my direction. I stay waiting till the sun comes out. Vi. keep wanting to your love come down. Trying to keep you in my direction. I say when it to the sun comes up. Vibe, 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 vibe. Oh, 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 oh. Ooh-cha, 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 ooh-cha. Oh, 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 oh,
Like, can you speak any other language apart from English or Patois?
No.
Like I heard like a while ago, like I
At
heard
least-
some things. Like,
No, that's a sample.
I like accents. I like.
Oh, okay. Yes, see, she, you know.
I'm here. I love the song.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
She can teach me some dance moves.
She's
No,
warming
that's
up. She'll warm up.
It's on there.
Powerful woman.
Hey.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for
I love
having
that
me.
track. That's
Thank
really
you.
nice. I feel like some Zumba moves.
Thank you.
Some little
Like,
dancing.
what's your social media?
Keida Weeda, Keida, WEEDA.
I love that name, Keida Weeda.
Keida Weeda.
It's a childhood name.
I like it.
Thank
I
you.
like it.
Where did it
And
come
it suits
from?
your
You
personality.
know, like Keida Weeda, you know?
Keida Weeda. Yeah. Duftan Muftan.
Duftan Muftan. No, Duftan Muftan. Nisha Patient.
Nisha Pisha. Yeah, I used to get that a lot.
Nisha.
All right,
Thank
thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.
I'm
for
looking
joining
forward
us
to
on
see
the
your
show.
performance.
No, man. Yes, that's awesome. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Catch us back on Tuesday.
Not Friday.
Not Friday. On Tuesday with more buzz, chat, vibe, and mix. But I want to say quickly, on
Yeah.
Sunday at 8:30 a.m., catch the Reggae Girl.
Yeah, they'll be playing
doing
your
their
first
thing.
match.
On Sunday, 8:30 a.m., guys. Tune in.
Like
catch
kick,
it.
like kick a football. Let me see.
Is it the side of the foot? Is it the side of the foot?
God help me.
Ali de chorar